You know, we know that the jobs of today and the jobs of the future are created by the private sector, but we also know there's some things that the public sector can do to create the environment that enables private sector investment. And we know there are many incubators and many partnerships around the state, but we at the Maryland Center for Entrepreneurship that we launched tried to figure out, where is the sweet spot? Where is there a place where if we made an investment, if we were to do something different, we could spur more investment in Howard County and the state of Maryland. The idea of 3D manufacturing, as I tour businesses like UAV Solutions, would see 3D manufacturing equipment, and we got to thinking, how many small startup companies are there that have an idea, have a prototype, but just can't afford the equipment? So let's go out and do it. Let's go out and acquire the equipment, make it available. But we also thought, and I was just talking to some folks on the users group here, we also thought it would be important and helpful to use this opportunity to create the ecosystem, or to help nurture the ecosystem, to bring those who are manufacturing, who are currently using 3D manufacturing, bring them together to make sure they're networking. You know, we in Howard County have so many fabulous things, exciting, innovative companies doing amazing work. I'm one of the few, I think, who get to go in lots of these buildings and see what's going on. And sometimes I feel like not everybody knows what some of their neighbors are doing nearby. And so just having the fact that you can compare notes. How did this machine work for you? We're thinking about making this $500,000 investment in a new machine. How did you feel that it worked? And so making sure that we're helping to create the ecosystem.
We're at the dawn of a new age of manufacturing and making, a redefinition of manufacturing, non-traditional manufacturing. Additive manufacturing is being referred to as the next industrial revolution. With additive manufacturing, we're creating our physical world with the digital means of production. We're additively manufacturing the physical world layer by very precise layer. From industrial parts to biological matter, and in a wide range of materials, from plastics to composites to metals. Digital manufacturing is clean manufacturing, it's agile manufacturing, it's smart manufacturing, and it's interesting manufacturing.
We have probably 95% of the products in our production line right now have at least 1 to 2 parts that are manufactured using additive manufacturing. And additionally, we have products such as the one on the table here, which is a multi-rotor VTOL, which is vertical takeoff and landing type of vehicle. It's a UAV that probably has about 50 to 60% of the components in that vehicle are manufactured using additive manufacturing. So it's really advanced, and you can see by the products that are laying on this table that all the different examples of what you can use this technology for, and you can use it from small parts. John Danko brought in some great parts over here. You can see that this isn't just small little desktop parts like you see when you do a Google search, that you can use this to make very large parts and complex parts.